Hi everybody, today you'll learn more essential details about the trigger circuit of a Bedini motor. Listen carefully, and stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. The first thing you need to know is that the trigger makes no square wave signal to the transistor at all. It's an impulse. Normally around 20 volts, John said it all the time that you need the right trigger. You have to trigger your circuits to get the radiant out, so what happens here is that the magnet is first attracted to the iron, the R60 welding rods. Then, when it is in line with it, it fully magnetizes the rods. Now the rods are, so to speak, charged. Next thing that happens is that the magnet moves away because of the mass of the wheel and the low drag of the welding rods. That's why it is so important to use a flywheel with some mass, instead of a roller skate wheel without much mass. And you now hopefully see why you can't use a bolt for the core, so when the magnet on the rotor leaves, the charged magnetic field in the rods flip instantaneously, and that creates a very fast high voltage impulse in the trigger coil, going to the transistor. The transistor now turns on, proportional to the signal of the trigger coil, remember. Not a square wave, just a sharp impulse, so the input battery turns on, to power the master coil, and instantaneously turns off again, at incredible speed. Incredible speed. With the same sharp signal, the magic begins here. When everything is turned off, the magnetic field of the master coil collapses and a higher voltage spike of around 300 volts is formed. It comes from the opening zero field in the coil as the magnetic field lets loose. Directly from the vacuum, that will now go to the charging battery and tell the ions to move, and charge the battery without current. Yes, without current. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you love it like me, and watch my other videos to learn more about it. Bye bye.